In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through how you can fix USB ports that aren't working on your Windows PC or Windows laptop. If you do find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more troubleshooting guides. Let's go ahead and get straight into this. First things first, once you get on your computer, go ahead and click on this little search bar right here, or click the Windows key to expand that same option. And what you're going to want to do is actually type in Device Manager and click on this first link up the very top to open it. Scroll down on this page, and yes, I know it is a little bit small and it is kind of hard to see, but essentially scroll down until you find Universal Serial Bus Controllers. It should be towards the bottom because this is in alphabetical order, and click on that little arrow to expand the list. Look for the items labeled USB Root Hub. This should once again be towards the bottom, and right click on every single one of them and then select Properties. Find this little power management section all the way up in the very top tab and uncheck this box that does say allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Simply go ahead and hit OK, and then repeat this step for any single USB root hubs and host controllers on this list. In the same list, you can also right click on each host controller. We're going to use this root hub one, for example. And once right clicking, you'll see the option to uninstall the device. Once you uninstall them, you can go to your start menu and just restart your computer. And after that, just replug in that USB driver that you're trying to use, and it should give it a fresh install. Now, that last part is completely optional. You don't have to do that. I do recommend doing it though if you're still having issues. But yeah, if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials like this. Have a great day.